Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have some multimeter leads that I got here. So if you have a multimeter and you lost the leads or you just need to have some extras or break them or whatever over time, this is going to be a nice little setup for you. So let's see what we got here. So we have very long probes on here, these ones here, and then we have just the standard kind of probes there. We have our connections here. Let's just give it a go on our little meter here. I can just go ahead and plug it in. Let's see, fits in there perfectly into my existing meter. Yes, it does. I have it strapped in. I don't know how to turn the strap off. So let me just go ahead and put it on ohm meter for fun here. And we will tap the two tips together and it is working. So there we go. It works. So very cool. So it's nice to have an extra set of leads if you have a multimeter that you lost the leads for, or you just need some new ones, or you want to get these other little parts too. So it has these ones here. I guess we will just extend those on there if we need to get some long ones. Sometimes if I'm sticking them into outlets or things like that, these little short ones aren't going to do it. Does this have a cover? Yeah, this one has a little bit of a length to it, but not super long. But these ones here are going to be super long little ones on there. And we also have some more of the rubber stuff that goes around it, whatever, to go on there too if you need to go on those long ones. So very cool, neat little setup here. So you have your whole multimeter little probes and stuff. I like it, thumbs up.